Hi there, welcome to my channel. For this video, we'll unbox this XR3340 computerized sewing machine. Okay, so I acquired this second-hand brother sewing machine through a rush sale online. Actually, the seller is also a member of the FB support group for the sewing enthusiasts like me. Although it was not a COD transaction, but we still able to transact it through Shoppee. As you can see, this machine has a styrofoam packaging inside the box. The seller didn't wrap it anymore in bubble wrap. Even so, still very well safe inside the box due to its packaging. By the way, please don't forget to subscribe. Actually, I've waited for it to arrive for about 2 weeks already. This sewing machine is actually a push button as well as a foot controller type of machine. It has also an extended table for quilting. It comes with complete manuals as well as list of stitches and embroidery designs in alphanumeric. course, the manual shows the usage as well as the troubleshooting of the machine. And it also has its complete accessories, foot controller, plug-in cord, but has no free transformer, so I have to provide it. Included also are the accessories such as the seam ripper, extra spool spin, spool caps, bobbins, a cleaning brush, and this one is a buttonhole foot, and the other one is a quilting foot. For the presser foot accessories, there is a zigzag foot, overcast foot, monogramming foot, zipper foot, a blind stitch foot, and other quilting foot, etc. So now let's check it if it's functioning. Plug in, and there you go. Now let's test it. So as you may observe, it has a sewing speed controller. You have to slide it to adjust the speed. So thank you for watching.